Hello everyone, it's 29th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have GDP growth tops outlook at 6-quarter high of 8.2%. Then we have Putin in India on the December 4th and 5th. Defense ties trade on table. Moving forward, we have granted bail in one case, 8 arrested again in second FIR. Moving forward, we have CPCB reports heavy metal contamination in Delhi, uranium levels third highest in the country. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole news in one page. Our relations have always been equal, uninterrupted, and mutually beneficial, built on trust, respect, and national interest, says Russian ambassador to India, Denis Alipov. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have India sees cultural reawakening. Prime Minister unveils 77 feet Lord Ram statue. Again, very important for art and culture perspective. Moving forward, we have after Naxalism, Shah tells top cops to focus on narcotics, organized crime. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have IFFI closing, Vietnamese trans drama wins best film. Again, very important. Then we have Cyclone Ditwa moves towards Tamil Nadu's talent reviews preparedness. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have India US signed the rupees 7,995 crore deal for MH-60R Navy chopper support. Again, very important for defense as well as international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have after stellar Q2 GDP data, CEA says financial year 26 growth could be north of 7%. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have as Sensex Nifty touch records high. YMF portfolios are not mirroring that rise yet. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have Bharat NACAP 2.0. How could it impact vehicle and pedestrian safety? Again, very important for infrastructure and safety perspective. Then we have the world page where we have DC shooters, long path of conflict of America from Afghanistan. Then we have over 80 dead as cyclonic wrecks havocs in Sri Lanka. Then we have Zelensky's chief to staff resigns amid Ukraine corruption probe. Then we have Israeli forces kill at least 13 in southern Syria raid, officials say. Then we have how Russian drone strikes are turning Ukrainian city into a human safari. All these news are very important for international news perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.